Hello guys. So today we are looking into how we can add a snack bar in our project. This is what we are going to achieve at the end of this video. There is a button on clicking which will show the snack bar. Without further ado, let's get started. So I have created a new project using the command npx react native init, the project name which is snack bar in our case. Now let's remove this template given by React Native and add a button on clicking which will show the snack bar. In order to use the snack bar, we need to download a third-party package. To install it, let's go to the Google and search for React Native snack bar. This will take us to the library where we have the instruction to install. Let's copy the command. To install the package, we need to close the already running Metro bundler. We'll install the package by pasting the command we have just copied. We need to build both the apps by using the commands npm run android for the Android app and npm run iOS for iOS app. Both will use the same Metro bundler. And now we can add the logic to show the snack bar in onPress method of the button. Say snack bar dot show, add a text message, and save it. This is the simplest one. It can have multiple options. Let's say we can add the duration, which can be snack bar dot length short, length long, or length indefinite. Generally we use length short. We can add an action button, text of the action button, and the method. Let's say this will show the alert. This is it for today's video. See you in the next one.